Hi everybody, today we're going to look at the LITEHAWK BLAST, which I picked up at the source here in Canada for around $100. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So this particular model comes in red, or in blue, and I did actually pick up both of them. Okay, so here's the controller. Alright, there we go, very nice. Power button down here, has trim buttons for steering and throttle here. Has a trackable antenna, and it takes 4 AA batteries. I have some here. Okay. So it doesn't come with the 4 AA batteries, and it looks like the foam just slides off the wheel, so I may have to crazy glue that on. And what's in this box? It's the battery and the charger. There's the pack. So it comes with a 7.4 volt lithium ion 1500 mAh battery. Comes with instructions and a tool. Oh, here's the antenna tube. And it comes also with a tool to take the tires off, or wheels off rather. So it is a 2-wheel drive buggy. There it is. Very nice looking buggy. It says here 35 kilometers or 22 miles an hour. Pretty impressive for $100. It's got the zip ties to hold it down. Gotta love that new buggy smell. Let's put the antenna tube on. Holy. I'm getting in there. That's good enough. I'll put this rubber thing on. This rubber cap. Very nice. Oh, look at this. This comes with a heat sink on the motor, and it comes with a guard as well. Actually, I bought my blue one a few months back, and I guess it's an older model, and it doesn't have this heat sink on the motor. So that's a very nice feature because it's a 380 motor and it found it really heats up fast. And also it's saying this is a waterproof. So that's another big improvement as well. Some kind of grease all over the place here. So let's open up the battery compartment. And here's the battery connector. Let's put that in. Slide that back in. Put the lock in place. And let's see here. It's covered in some kind of greasy oil here. Okay, very cool. So let me see. And here's the charger. Let me see if I can get some AA batteries. Alright. AAs. On. Light starts blinking. Turn the buggy on. Oh, very cool. And it's binded. Very neat. Okay, so we'll be giving that a try and come back soon for the running video for that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye for now.